These stars that we see are just a tiny glimpse of the vast cosmos, and floating in a corner of this universe is our little blue planet, Earth. This is our home. Our love, our dreams, and all our stories revolve around this very planet. But do we really know our home? Come, let's hear some unknown stories about this familiar home of ours today. Do you know how old our Earth is? Scientists say it's about 4.5 billion years old. Today, we see separate continents like Asia, Europe, and America. But millions of years ago, it wasn't like this. Back then, it was all one massive supercontinent called Pangaea. Over the passage of time, that single landmass broke apart to form the 7 continents we know today. Scientists believe that billions of years ago, our blue planet wasn't actually blue. Its color was purple. This is because the microbes of that era absorbed energy from sunlight using a purple chemical called retinol instead of the green chlorophyll we see today. Our day consists of 24 hours, but it wasn't always that way. Billions of years ago, a day on Earth lasted only 21 hours. Due to the gravitational pull of the moon, the sun, and other planets, the Earth's rotational speed is gradually slowing down. In fact, every 100 years, the length of a day increases by about 1.7 milliseconds. It might be a tiny amount, but the change is definitely happening. Look here at the Earth, and over there is our moon. They look so close to each other, but the distance between the Earth and the moon is actually so vast that all the other planets in our solar system, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune could easily fit into this empty space. You see this red storm on Jupiter? It's called the Great Red Spot. Just within this single spot, 2 whole Earths could easily fit. And our sun? It's an absolute giant. Compared to it, our Earth is smaller than a speck of dust. Don't believe it? Then look at this. This picture was taken from the moon. See that tiny blue marble? That's our Earth. Now look at the Earth as seen from Mars. It's nothing more than a bright star. And this picture was taken from just beyond the rings of Saturn, a pale blue dot. Our love, anger, ego, wars, and peace, our entire existence is contained within that one tiny dot. Astronomer Carl Sagan was absolutely right when he said that this image gives a massive reality check to our human ego. But the story doesn't end here. Our sun is not alone either. In our Milky Way galaxy, there are roughly 400 billion stars just like it. Can you even imagine that number? It brings to mind another famous quote from Carl Sagan. There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. And what about our sun? In the midst of these gigantic stars, it's practically a baby. There is a star named VY Canis Majoris, which is about 2,000 times larger than our sun. Millions of our suns could easily fit inside that single star. And the home of all these massive stars is the galaxy. If you imagined our entire solar system as the size of a coin, the Milky Way galaxy would be the size of the entire United States of America. And we live in just one tiny corner of that galaxy, in a place the size of a little yellow dot. If your mind isn't boggled by all this yet, take a look at this final image. The Hubble Space Telescope was pointed at a tiny dark patch of the sky, and what it captured was simply unbelievable. Every single point of light in this image is not a star, but an entire galaxy. Each of them contains billions of stars and their planets, and this is just a photograph of an infinitesimally small fraction of the universe. After witnessing this immense scale, you might be feeling incredibly small right now. Our daily struggles, our successes and failures, our anger and sorrow, our thoughts, everything might suddenly seem meaningless. But look at it from another perspective. Amid this immense, infinite universe, that tiny blue dot is our only shelter. All this chaos, all this attachment, all life, everything is right here. No matter how small we may be, this little blue planet is our home. It is our only existence. To stay connected with us, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel, my friend.